Morning, y'all. Your girl Kit Kat. Kit Kat. A little better today. See my other video, you know what I'm talking about. But right now, I don't think I'm about to eat anything right now. I'm just getting ready for church. But what I will be doing is indulging in this ice mountain water. This is the best kind of water you can drink. If you don't want to drink out of faucet water. Faucet water here in Jackson, Michigan, it tastes like metal and badootie juice. But anyways, I just want to give an encouraging message for today. This is only my second video, but there's more to come. And I just want to put out there that people just need to enjoy life. And people just need to be loving on each other. Like, all the stuff that's going on today. The more love we show to everybody that's feeling down or whatever, the better this world will be. But everybody don't think like that. So I hope that whoever is watching this video is uplifted, because I am uplifted. Later on, I'm gonna be eating some food that I prepared, and y'all gonna see how I throw down in the kitchen. Well, I'm gonna just tell y'all what I did, how I did it, how I seasoned my food and all of that. Like I said, there's more videos to come. Check your girl Kit Kat out on Facebook. My name is Kat Williams. I'm the female Kat Williams. The other one, he ain't. But this my name. And if you want to look me up on Facebook, look me up at Kat Williams. It's the black girl that shows up, not the white one. Alright, I'm about to drink this water real quick. Hold on. I'm going to give y'all a little bit of footage of me drinking this water, even though it's just water. You know water is still good when you got the frost on the bottle. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. It's still ice cold. Oh, y'all see my cats, Nelly and Caesar. Anyways, y'all, peace out. Holla at your girl Kit Kat. Kit Kat.